how to clear all cache and free up space on Windows 11. First, press the Windows and R key on your keyboard, which is going to open up the Run application, and under this area here, type in prefetch and then press OK. Now there's going to be a bunch of files in here you don't need, so what I recommend you do is click on one of them and then press Ctrl A on your keyboard and then press Ctrl D, or you can press delete. Now not everything will delete and that's okay, so I'm going to press the X button and we're going to exit out. Then press Windows and R again on your keyboard and we're going to be typing in temp and pressing OK. And here you'll have another folder with a lot of files. I recently deleted mine so I don't have much, but you want to click on anything and then press Ctrl A and Ctrl D. Now you may need some administrator access to delete stuff. I'm just going to click on this area and I'm going to go to continue. And don't worry if you have a few things left over. So close this out and then press Windows and R on your keyboard again. And then we're going to type in %, temp, %, and press OK. And can you guess what we're going to do? We're going to left click on something, press Ctrl A, and then press Ctrl D. Then just simply press continue, and as before, there may be some files that won't delete, and that's okay. If you have a little bit left over, you can just cancel out and then close it. Now go ahead and press Windows R again, and we're going to type in clean mgr and then press OK. This is going to open up disk cleanup for Windows C drive, and you'll notice I'll save about 500 megabytes. So what I'm going to do is click on all these boxes and just double check and make sure you're not deleting anything you don't want to. But once you're happy, just go down to the bottom and press OK and select delete files. And this should only take a couple of moments. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.